October 17th, the day silver snaps, here's what triggers it. October 17th, moving pieces will collide and crack the silver market wide open. If you're holding silver, you're going to want to pay close attention. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner was Brett from California. Click that link I left down below. You should be the next winner on that list. Now, listen to this. The first big trigger comes from the U.S. Import and Export Price Index. That's scheduled for October 17th. And these indexes measure how much prices are changing for goods entering and goods leaving the country. It essentially tracks inflation at the border. If import prices surge suddenly, it signals that inflation is sneaking in from abroad. That kind of surprise can jolt real yields up and push the dollar higher. That's bad news for silver. And yes, we will see our price snap quick. But if numbers come in soft or lower than expectations, that suggests inflation's cooling. That tends to weaken the dollar, and silver can benefit from that. This release alone won't always cause a market collapse, but in a fragile setup, it could light the spark because we also have another trigger, and it won't be a single number. It'll be a wave. Corporate earnings will be announced across the market on October 17th, same day. Strong or weak earnings, especially from industry, from mining, materials companies, that's what we're looking for. That can shift the mood in the silver market. Imagine companies tied to metals or manufacturing post big losses. Suddenly, traders rotate out of risk, and silver drags down with the rest. Or companies surprised with huge profits, that might fuel optimism, pushing money into commodities like silver. Either way, this is the kind of tilt factor that could push a wobble into a cascade. Because when markets are already jittery, a few bad earnings can snowball. We've seen this time and again. Now, here's the wild card. The government shutdown. Because parts of the federal government are unfunded. Key agencies can delay or they could skip data releases. That means traders without fresh data are just guessing. That's what they're doing. In those moments, rumors or partial leaks, they can move markets more than facts. And a tiny surprise can cascade into chaos. If the import-export index lands late or if it's delayed, traders might overreact or misprice, and silver could snap violently just from uncertainty. Because when people don't know, fear typically fills in that gap. October 17th is not just another data day. This could be the day silver breaks. Keep your eyes on the import-export release. And don't underestimate this absolute chaos that can come from a government shutdown that we're living through. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this challenge. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. 20 Eagles every month. Click that link I left down below. Take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.